If Steam is giving you a login error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account. This problem can happen because of a temporary glitch, a bad server handshake, or even old network data stored on your PC. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it without reinstalling anything. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's start with the simplest solution first. Fully close Steam and restart your computer. Make sure Steam is completely exited, not just minimized in the background. You can check the system tray near the clock and close it from there if needed. Once Steam is fully shut down, restart your PC. This clears out temporary issues that may be causing the login problem. After your computer comes back on, open Steam again and try signing in. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is log out completely and manually enter your password again. If you usually stay signed in, Steam may be trying to reuse an old security token that is no longer valid. By signing out and typing your password again, you force Steam to request a brand new login token from the server. If you have Steam Guard enabled, you can also use the QR code sign-in option instead. This can refresh the authentication process and sometimes gets you back in right away. Now, if that still does not solve it, the next fix is to change your download region inside Steam. Sometimes the server that handles the login gateway in your area can be down or overloaded, and switching regions tells Steam to connect through a different physical server. If you can get into the client, click Steam, then go to Settings, then Downloads, and find the Download Region option. Open the drop-down menu and choose a different nearby region, or try one farther away if needed. After changing it, restart Steam and try logging in again. If the region switch helps, that means the issue was likely a server-side handshake problem rather than your account itself. The next step is to flush your DNS and reset Winsock, because sometimes your PC is trying to contact Steam using outdated network information. If your system has a cached IP address that no longer works, the login request can keep timing out. To fix this, open the Start menu, type command prompt and run it as administrator, then type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press enter. Once both commands finish, restart your PC. This clears old network cache data and resets the Windows socket catalog, which often fixes stubborn Steam connection errors. After the restart, open Steam one more time and test the login. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the issue immediately. If you still cannot log in, the problem may be with your network, firewall, or Steam servers, but these fixes are the best first things to try because they solve the most common causes. So to quickly recap, restart Steam and your computer, sign out and log back in manually, change your download region, then flush DNS and reset Winsock before restarting your PC. Try them in that order and you should have a much better chance of getting back into Steam without any frustration. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.